How's it going, everyone? It's Brian from Streamlight, and I'm here today to show you the Trident headlamp. This is a rugged, low-profile headlamp with spot or floodlight capabilities. The Trident is equipped with a 90-degree rotating head, which enables additional illumination angles. There are two head straps available depending on the application. There's an elastic head strap, or if you plan on using this on a hard hat, there's a rubber hard hat strap. This light has an IPX7 waterproof rating up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It's powered by 3 AAA batteries, and you'll notice a polarity indicator underneath the cap to make sure that the batteries are oriented properly. This light has 3 modes. You've got your 1 LED flood, 3 LED flood, and spot modes.